They're one of the very few. How you gonna run into a tree?
Oh fuck. Oh, that's fresh as. Everyone goes behind us.
Get it,
Fuck. He's behind that wood. Damn it. I think he's underneath that log right there, or that wood.
There he goes.
Yeah, fuck. I don't want to shoot this close to the house though. It's kind of loud, but I should have tried to shoot anyway. Everyone goes down there by the fence. It looked like he went that way. There he goes right there. You see him?
Yep.
Damn, he was fast. I didn't even see him. He like came out of this right here or something. Fuck, going towards the damn house. Fucker. I was hoping he'd go that way. Everyone goes right towards me. Hell no. I missed that one. I don't think so. Unless that's him right there. No, that's mud. Yeah, I missed that one. He ran right at me.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Where'd you shoot it at?
Down there.
Down where?
Down that way. I think I missed him though. After I shot, I didn't see nothing moving. I don't know.
Where's the last place you shot at?
Right here. I think I missed him. There's where all I shot. Everything split up right there.
All right, well, let's keep going down.